No gel wash and go? Really? Okay. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I achieved this no gel wash and go. So stay tuned. So in this video, I used the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture and Twist Curling Mousse. Let's start with saying that this stuff smells bomb. Not only does it smell bomb, but it works amazing. Cannot wait to try this again. I think I'm gonna do a twist out the next time that I use this product. But for today, this is a no gel wash and go. I only use this curling mousse. In the shower, I did apply the Pure Honey Scalp Refresh Restorative Daily Scalp Cream. I actually applied this on my hair. And this also smells amazing. Let me show you what it looks like. Absolutely love the smell of these products. So I applied this in the shower. And for the wash and go, I just used this. This was literally my quickest wash and go ever. Maybe took a total of 10 minutes. I worked in medium size section. I just raked the product through and this is what the results look like. So let me give you a little quick 360. So there's volume, there is definition. I'm absolutely loving this wash and go. So let me show you what I did to achieve this look. Stay tuned. Here are my final results. Absolutely loving this fluffy, defined wash and go using mousse. Again, I use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturize and Twist Curling Mousse. And this is how much I've used of the mousse with this wash and go. And definitely loving these results. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.